بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Peace be with you. This is Asmar Batul from British Institute YouTube channel. This channel is based on knowledge. You are kindly requested to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Dear viewers, hope you are safe and sound. Today we are going to discuss about the topic phrase that is over the counter.
Over the counter. Medicines and drugs that can be sold without a doctor's prescription are sold over the counter. Medications that are purchased over the counter are purchased in a shop without first visiting a specialist. You can purchase most headache medicines over the counter.
Is she taking any other medicines whether on prescription or bought over the counter?
Hope you learned something from this video. If so, then share this video with your friends. Also like this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Goodbye.